Anastasia. Hi, everyone. I am Ranjana, founder from Wish. First of all, I would like to thank Fincasa team for this great opportunity and thanks to all experts here. As we all know that COVID-19 has impacted our lives in many ways, there is a huge shift in consumer behavior. It would be safe to say that consumer behavior is settling in a new normal. According to a study conducted by McKinsey, 5 prominent impacts are visible, which are shaping the new normal in consumer buying patterns across the globe. First is shift to value and essentials. Flight to digital and omnichannel. Shock to loyalty, health and caring economy, and homebody economy. So what is Wish? We are an innovative digital company. We are one of the leading software development and solutions across industry verticals. Our strong partner ecosystem allows us to cater to diversified solutions across various customer businesses. Our commitment to customer success differentiates us from the race. We believe that processes are the key to success of any organization, whether it is large or small. We have pool of local and overseas technical and functional professionals who help us provide consultancy and managed service support to our consumers. Our offerings. We are agile when it comes to solution delivery. We offer business process consulting, custom software development, cloud shift and lift, application maintenance, infrastructure management and support service, enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, collaboration tools and technologies, robotic process automation, business intelligence, and data warehouse solutions form part of our core offerings to our customers. We also have solutions those have matured to become product from specific industry verticals like NGOs, financial services, and public sector enterprises. Necessity is the mother of invention. So during this difficult time, it is crucial for businesses to think out of box. Around the world, economies are cautiously reopening. Businesses must make unnecessary changes at a great relative cost and with less working capital. And it is truly said that if you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. So we would like to bring some fresh perspective of two critical business sectors, that is e-commerce and healthcare. So e-commerce that I'm talking about is not a new concept. There are several traditionally built and popularized e-commerce platforms. But however, statistics shows that local businesses are still not using these popular platforms for selling. So let's talk about the reason why they are not using. Currently available e-commerce platforms are not economic for small businesses, for local businesses, and are not user-friendly for non-technical and illiterate sellers. So not everyone trusts online shopping platforms. So because of these reasons, majority of the local businesses are miles and miles away from the online selling platforms. And this COVID-19 has changed customer lifestyle and shopping behavior. So due to these reasons of personal safety and hygiene, more and more people are dragged towards online shopping. E-commerce marketplace is gaining huge traffic day by day. So the research that has shown by year 2021, worldwide retail e-commerce sales will reach $4.9 trillion. Never before this has retail been as profitable as it is now. Global B2B e-commerce sales are predicted to reach over $6.6 trillion, surpassing B2C valued at 3.2 trillion by 2021. So in next decade, as much as 95% of shopping will be facilitated by e-commerce. So it is evident from the above statistics that people trust local businesses more than global or regional. Footfall in store is more than online business of personalized experience and connections that people share with local shop owners. So here comes a fresh mart. So Freshmart, considering the challenges discussed above, we thought of bringing a new perspective of looking at e-commerce business and renovating the same. It is crucial to bring on board local businesses and empower them to sell online. Hence, we as a Wish envision to build a platform for local customers to connect with local businesses, where Freshmart will enable every shopkeeper to establish their own branded online store digitally. They can manage their own online store and connect with customers in most user-friendly and convenient way. We can provide useful insights to business owners through built-in AI-based business intelligence reports and dashboards. So we can bridge the gap for local shopkeepers and business owners to connect with customers from neighborhood. So current Kenyan market research shows that there are 0.5% of online shoppers in Kenya as compared to other major economies on the continent, which means there is a growth potential of 99.5% in online shopping within Kenya. And there are 7.41 million total micro, small and medium businesses in Kenya, of which not more than 0.02% have online presence as of now. So if all these MSMEs are bought online on Freshmart platform with a little spend as a packet of bread, that is 100 Kenyan shilling, which is just equal to $1 each month, and we do not charge as per transaction basis. So there is a revenue opportunity of $88 million, that is 8,800 million Kenyan shilling every year. So same with the another concept, that is Fresh Medic. Globally, the number of visits to ambulatory practices OPD declined nearly to 80%. Post reopening of outpatient services in few countries, the number of visits is still roughly 1/3 lower than what was seen before the pandemic. So these numbers will decline further considering public safety and hygiene. So delivering crucial healthcare services through online platform would form part of a new normal the world is moving towards. Additionally, online platforms can also deliver a complete package including ordering required medicines and essentials through one single platform, providing a world-class healthcare experience from the comfort of their home. So according to McKinsey, total expected value of healthcare services in Africa is more than $35 billion. So hence, potential that we see in Fresh Medic is comparable to the Freshmart. So there may be few questions that many of us may have, like what is the value proposition for buyers in case of Freshmart? So a Freshmart will serve as a bridge to connect local consumers to local businesses, which they know and trust. And Freshmart platform assures buyer against possible threats as imposed by other available e-commerce platforms by connecting with seller in a personalized fashion. Next is how Freshmart would help corner shops to sell effectively. So corner shops can brand and share link of their online store with their known set of customers. So once customers are connected to the store, they receive all the updates, offers, and messages from the store. Moreover, store owners can run personalized schemes to serve with their customers better. Next is, what other advantages will I get as a patient while using Fresh Medic? So Fresh Medic platform delivers a package solution. While you are booking your appointments with your family physician online, Fresh Medic Intelligent AI can tell you how much the consulting and treatment cost would be via available offer of various health insurance offers that can help with treatment expenses. So moreover, the platform would also, they will connect with the national healthcare services like NHIs in Kenya to deliver local benefits. So this is how we came up with the two concepts of e-commerce and e-healthcare system. Hi all, I am Ranjana from Wish. Wish is one of the leading software development and services company. We have a strong partner ecosystem and tie-ups with globally leading OEMs. Our value proposition to business is simple. We give rocket to your business, you decide where to fly. We enable businesses by providing enterprise-ready digital web and mobile platforms to start selling their products and services. E-commerce marketplace is gaining huge traffic day by day due to its profitable growth from all over the region. Available stats shows that e-commerce sale will be expected to reach $4.5 trillion globally in 2021. And then it's sure when Wish is willing to empower each local businesses to establish their global footprints through our digital platform and offerings. Our Fresh Mart platform is aiming to gear up regional businesses to reach out to local customers easily and effectively, provide unique value proposition to customers, deliver services with the ease of digital technologies. Although COVID crisis has impacted businesses globally, but it should not faint us, rather make us stronger and stand tall by responding to changing customer preferences and needs, as this may transform cities and lifestyles in areas of online shopping, safe delivery, healthcare services, and telemedic services. It is analyzed that 90% of world population is using mobile in today's digital era. Majority of them have smart devices, enabling essential services like healthcare, consultation, ordering medicines to be delivered through smart devices. Our Fresh Medic platform brings healthcare service providers under one roof. Fresh Medic allows patients to access medical consulting and other healthcare services from the convenience of their home. Remote consultation will help address relatively minor conditions before they become major. On behalf of the team Wish, I would like to take opportunity to thank the entire Fincasa team for providing this wonderful platform, and thanks to everyone for your valuable time.
Thank you so much, Ranjana, for your presentation and all this wonderful video. We are also grateful to have you here with us today online, presenting your e-commerce Fresh Mart platform. If it's a very convenient project during this lockdown and pandemic. So I hope you get your funding, and again, also you can map your business, your startup outside of Kenya, not only limited to Africa, but also globally. So we wish you success.